Of course, with Coldbreak here with our Knockout Immersion Chillers. We have two kinds. We've got copper and we have stainless. We also have two different sizes. We have 50-foot and 25-foot chillers. The 25-foot chillers are really good for up to about 5-6 gallon batches. And your 50-footers are really good for your all-grain 10-gallon batches of beer that you're making. Copper is the traditional way that chillers are made because of its heat transfer properties, but we also do have some really nice stainless steel options available as well. Size-wise, we've got 9 inches in diameter on the copper. So each one of those is 9 inches. And then the stainless steel, when you coil it, when you're done coiling it, they tend to spring out just a little bit. And so we've got 10 inches-ish on the 25-foot and 9.5 inch on the 50-foot stainless chiller. Height-wise, we're gonna go a little bit taller on the 50-foot chillers, and those are about 20 inches. The 25-foot chillers are about 16 inches tall. And so these are all handmade and hand-bent, so they might vary by a quarter inch or so here and there. Yeah, we make them all in Michigan here. Each one of them comes with a garden hose fitting on the end of it. We've got some really nice lead-free brass ones on the copper and then nickel-plated on the stainless chillers. All of our Knockout chillers come with compression barbs on them. So if you're unfamiliar with the way that metal-to-metal connections are, there's a little tiny collar underneath this nut. And when you screw these two pieces together, that collar crimps down on the copper or stainless steel. And so the more that you tighten it, the more that it crimps down. And so we do torque these when we make them, but if it's not torqued quite enough, you might get a drip or two out of these. And if that is the case, sometimes all you need is just a quick tighten on that, and it'll seal right up. This is the preferred way to connect vinyl tubing to metal tubing and creates the best seal for you so that you don't contaminate your work. If you have any questions for us, support@coldbreakusa.com.